Hi folks, July 16, 2019. Today is the 50th launch anniversary of Apollo 11. This afternoon I'm in my retro computing lab and on the table here I have part of my Sinclair QL collection. The QL turned 35 this year, and the collection on this table is here for a little more than 5 years. I did QL-30 videos with that equipment on this table, and I cleaned it up recently and placed everything in order where it was 5 years ago based on my records. So kind of similar to Apollo 11, which they try to remember how it was 50 years ago. I try how it was 5 years ago at QL-30, and I'm celebrating the launch of the Sinclair QL in 1984, which is the 35th anniversary this year, and I'm having here some very special Sinclair QL items. On the left I'm having a very early issue 5 Sinclair QL, which has the Sinclair EEPROM board with the Sinclair sales demonstration, and this QL was signed 5 years ago by Rick Dickinson and David Carlin. In the middle I'm having a US edition of the QL. This is a brand new machine. It has only been fired up once to see if it's working. It's new out of the box and just here on the table as part of the presentation. Then on the right hand side there's the German edition of the Sinclair QL, equipped with a Super Gold card and the Sinclair QL floppy disk drive. This QL has also installed the QL SD expansion, which let it run software from SD cards, and this QL is booted with a SD card which has the QLE distribution on it. Latest version QLE 3.19 released this year 2019, working fast and properly on the Sinclair QL as on all available emulators, virtual machines, FPGAs, you name it. Okay, very special day for me because I'm really a space addict, born 1968. I'm pretty sure I was on the arms of my parents the days and nights when Apollo 11 was heading to the moon. Eagle landed. First man put his footsteps on the moon, and the 3 men safely returned to Earth later on in July 1969. So Earth, QL versus Jaguar, Space Addict, Sinclair QL Addict, July 16, 2019, very special day. I thought I make a short video and talk to you guys out there, and hope it was a special day for you as well. Okay, that's it for now. Take care, all the best, enjoy the summer and have a good life.